1. Acquaintance. 2. Description. 3. Demonstration. Hello, we are the company TEWI. We spent more than a year developing a device that could turn over medicine, robotics and the field. We want to present you a revolutionary device that will be able to determine the current status of both the person as a whole and the body separately, without any contact. Based on the received data, the device will be able to establish a diagnosis, replaced by an encephalograph, a cardiograph, SensForo EN1, to diagnose a person's mood, diagnose the electrical activity of the heart, diagnose the electrical activity of any other organ based on data on electrical activity, diagnose diseases of the brain, heart and any other organ. Perform diagnostics without any contact with the human body and without using additional gadgets. USB port, power, laser, epic sensor, display, molecular channel. Some part of the device, some accessories are not shown, as they reveal the essence of the technology. Indicator, mini computer, molecular channel, contacts for sensor, laser, epic sensor. The first function, electrocardiogram, diagnosis of heart diseases, determination of the heart rate. Second function, electroencephalogram, diagnosis of diseases of the brain, the predominant type of brain waves. The third function, mood, is the definition of the current mood based on the data that was received by the second function. The fourth function is the psychophysical state. The analysis of the psychophysical state of a person is based on data that were obtained by 1, 2 and 3 functions. Fifth function, mobile doctor. The use of the latest developments in the field of artificial intelligence allowed us to create an algorithm that, based on the data of the first, second and seventh function, the ability to diagnose. The sixth function is the diagnosis of weak fields of any organ or object. Seventh, current state of health. Operates the current state of health based on the data of the first and second functions. Settings. About the product. Reading of indications about cardiovascular activity, determination of heart rate and possible diseases. The display in the corner shows the process of data processing and the result of the result. Thanks to the molecular bridge technology, the device can read data through clothing. Performing the seventh function. Diagnosis of the state of health and the search for possible problems. Due to the disease database that is included in the device, SensForo makes a comparison of the results and data that are characteristic of one or another disease, and the result is fed to the display. Running the fifth function. This function is started after starting the first, second and seventh functions. The fifth function, mobile doctor, compares the data that was obtained during the execution of other functions and sends the result to the display. With our device, you can diagnose a person's health status, identify the disease without any contact for 30 seconds.
SensForo revolution in 30 seconds.